If you guys want to make money, you have to get results. Simple as that.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives. Yo, so what's up, guys? I'm Rico, and if you're new to the channel, me and my partner Dan, we talk all about that Amazon goodness, that Amazon FBA, private label dropshipping, general entrepreneurship, all types of stuff. If that sounds good to you, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stick around for a little bit. Make sure you get into the free Facebook group down below so that way we can help you out. Now, let's go ahead, let's break into it. All you regulars know what time it is, man. We get a lot of messages, and you know, by the way, hopefully you guys had a happy holidays. You know, hopefully you guys had a Merry Christmas and happy Hanukkah, Amazon selling, eBay selling, Shopify, whatever day, whatever it was to you guys, all right? But this has been weighing on me for a little bit. And, you know, we get a lot of messages. And even though we're not, you know, YouTube famous, whatever that is, you know, people ask our opinions on what they should do, like how to make money. And it's rough. All right, it's tough because not everyone is good at the same thing. So if you guys are here to like listen to me tell you how to make tons and tons of money on Amazon, yeah, that's not it. You know, none of that on this one. Sorry, guys. This is more of like general. And the only thing that we can really advise you on is you have to get results for people. All right. The reason why people come to us and have us help them on Amazon is because we get results. Okay. That's the reason people pay us to coach them. We get results. There's no fluff. Like, we would be a hell of a lot more, you know, famous on YouTube if I would just make a video saying, yo, you can make $1 million on Amazon by tomorrow and use these Facebook ads to drive traffic to do so. You know, we'd have followers out the wazoo. But that's not what we do. That's not who I am. That's not what, you know, me and Dan are about. That's not anything. You know, we're all about getting results. You know, being famous has no bearing on whether you can make money or not, whether you can be successful on Amazon or not, okay? Tons of our students, they're not famous. You guys would never even know them if you walked down the street next to them, but they make a buttload of money. You know, you got YouTubers out here, you know, doing $1 million, $2 million selling on Amazon and eBay, and they're barely bringing in 100K, you know, at the end of the year. But we have students in the group who are, you know, selling 150 to 200,000 and making almost the same amount of money, you know? So it doesn't matter. Like, that's what you guys have to understand. You have to don't necessarily correlate, you know, like fame and all this and Instagram notoriety and stuff to, you know, making money. You know, like, we make way more money with Amazon than half of the people do on YouTube. Like, there's people with 1 million subscribers who don't gross, you know, damn near $500,000 a year. We beat them out with our Amazon businesses. Our students beat them out with their Amazon businesses. You're getting results. That's what makes you money. Get results. The results are getting people their items. People pay us for their items so we can, you know, provide them, you know, that service. Okay? That's what you guys have to understand. It's not like, how do I make all this money? How do I become YouTube famous? How do I fly on private jets like, you know, Jet Set Fly and his team, and drive Lamborghinis like Kevin David and blah, 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 and I just want to be famous? No, guys, no. No. You need to provide results. All the good stuff comes after you provide the results for people, okay? Like, yes, Russell Brunson is practically, you know, a celebrity, but ClickFunnels effing works. He gets results for people. That's why he has the luxury to do the things that he does. You know, there's nothing wrong with being behind the scenes, getting results for people and making them money. That's what making money is all about. Getting results for people, okay? There's not a direct correlation between how hard you're working. Like, a lot of you guys are, you know, into, you know, Shopify or, I don't know, affiliate marketing, all types of things, right? And, you know, it may or may not be working. For the people that it's not working for, you have to look at, am I getting people results? Am I providing them value? Am I bringing them the products that they want to buy? That should be your measure, okay? Good results will yield good things for you. Don't just think of it as a cash and grab and like a get rich quick and try to do all these things that don't work. Focus on what you're good at, okay? Block out all the noise, okay? Block out every bit of noise that you can. And this is the one piece of advice that I can give you that helped me and Dan get to where we are. People laughed at us talking about selling on Amazon. How much money can you make selling on Amazon? Literally laughed at us. If you guys knew some of my friends, they straight up laughed at us. You know, case in point, I'm one of the contributors to Instapie. I've added code to that repository, and you know, people laughed at me for doing that. They're like, oh, Instagram bots. Don't use Instagram bots, by the way, guys. Like, you don't want to mess up your accounts. But that's besides the point. You know, I'm like, I was doing all these things and telling people what I was doing. I'm like, guys, I'm doing this, and you should try it. You know, it can help you out. They just laughed and laughed. And then when everything started coming together and money was being made, and they're like, oh my God. Yo, hook it up, baby. Yo, teach me how to do this. You know, results will always yield you money. You get good results for people, there we go. You're getting paid. You get people good products, you're getting paid. You consult with people, get them results, you're getting paid. That's the name of the game. It's results. Okay? It's not how hard you're going to be working to get those results. It's just the results at the end. You know, if you don't work that dang hard, but you get a ton of results, congratulations. It's with affiliate marketing. You know, you don't necessarily have to work really hard. Okay? You just have to be really smart with your offers. You have to be able to set up the proper funnels. You get results for the people that you're, you know, affiliating for. Congratulations. You're getting paid. That's what matters most, guys. At the end of the day, that's what you should care about. Care about the results so that way you can make money. All right? That's it. Block out all this other stuff. Block out all the external stuff. Block out all these things. Like we had to just block all that stuff out because we were looking at all these other, you know, influencers and like, yo, we make way more money than them. Like we make more money at our day jobs than they do. Like period, with everything that they're doing. Like, yo, maybe we should go out and buy supercars. Maybe we should be flying on private jets. Maybe we should be doing those things. But that doesn't get any of you guys results. All that does is give you guys false pretenses of what success really looks like. Success is not necessarily a Lamborghini or any of that. Now, granted, some of those come from the results of hard work. And I'm not saying Lamborghinis are bad. Like, I hope to buy a Lamborghini soon myself. It's not the end all. It's not the end game, okay? It's not directly correlated to success. Does it come with success? Yes, but there is not a one-to-one correlation, okay? It's not an on and off switch. You know, sorry for all you guys that have Lamborghinis, I'm just saying. You know, so take all of what you see with a grain of salt, all right? Lamborghinis help sell, you know, the vision that you're successful, but results will always trump that, always. More often than not, results will always trump it and always bring you money, okay? That's what you guys need to remember. So, sorry that this wasn't one of those, you know, this is how you're gonna make money on Amazon, but I just felt that you guys should know that it's all about results. It's not necessarily about, you know, the working hard part and stuff like that, because plenty of people work hard, but they don't yield the results necessary to make the kind of money that they want. Case in point, Subway sandwich artists. They might work 12-hour shifts, and that is grueling work. And yes, they get paid, but the results, they're not providing the results necessary to make even more money. You know, the end result is, here you go, here's a sandwich. Anybody can make a sandwich. End result, sandwich. You can help people make money. Now you're talking. Now you're making money. Okay? So, remember that, guys. Hopefully you had a happy holiday and you enjoyed yourselves, hung out with your loved ones, snuggled up real close, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to catch you guys in the next one, man. Oh, before that, make sure you guys check out the links below, man. You already know what to do. You guys know what to do. All right, so I'm going to check you later. Peace out.